Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sukumar's Smart Education. Under the aegis of Curie Grant, National Workshop organized by PG Department of Chemistry, Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Jalandhar. Workshop title: Greener and Safer Chemistry Labs. Date 21st October 2022. Time at 1:30 p.m. Zoom platform. Invited all the faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided. No registration fee. Registration link in description. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share